there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet an oval, and I'll also explain to you how the pattern works and how you can make yours as big or as small as you like. So let's get started. We will start our oval with a chain of 6, so make a slip knot and then chain 6. And now we will start our first round by making 3 single crochet in a second chain from the hook. That's 3. Then make 1 single crochet in the next 3 chains. And you will have 1 chain left, and in that last chain we will make 3 single crochet, and this will create the corner of the oval, and you will bring the yarn neatly on the other side of the chain. So as you can see, it forms the corner, and then now we are crocheting on the other side of the chain. So rotate your work and make 3 single crochet, 1 in each of the next 3 stitches. That's 1, 2, and 3. Now we will be working in a round without turning and without closing the rounds. So it will be like an oval spiral, and for that we need a piece of yarn to mark the beginning and end of each round, so we don't get confused and we know exactly where to stop. So you can either use a stitch marker. I use a piece of yarn, it's easier. This is your first round. Now we continue with the second round. If you notice, we have 2 semicircles on other side of the oval, and there are 3 stitches each, and we will treat these like just an amigurumi circle. So if you remember, if you're familiar with crocheting in a round, to create a circle you will gradually increase your stitches to keep it flat. We will do the same on either side of the oval, and the middle part will always stay the same. It will be just single crochet stitches. So let's continue and I'll show you what I mean. Now remember, we had 3 single crochet here in this end chain. We will increase in each of them. An increase in amigurumi means you will make 2 single crochet in each stitch. So let's do that in the next 3 stitches. So 2 single crochet, it's an increase. Now into the next one, 2 single crochet, and then in the last one 2 single crochet, and we have increased our semicircle, and it's still flat. Now we are crocheting along the middle of the oval, so we will just make single crochet stitches, 1 in each of the next 3 stitches. So 1 single crochet, the second and the third. And now again we reach the other corner of the oval, and again we will increase in the next 3. So 2 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. So that's 1 increase, that's the second increase, and the third increase. And now we have left the 3 single crochet that are the middle of the oval, so we will just single crochet in them, 1 in each. And 3. And now we've reached the end of the round, and you know that this is the end, because if you want to insert your hook in the stitch you can't because you have this piece of yarn. So then you know to stop. Now let's continue with the third round. So place your piece of yarn in between, and let's continue. And now, just like you will do on a regular amigurumi circle, we are going to increase every other stitch. So 3 times. So we will do 1 single crochet and then 1 increase in next, which is 2 single crochet. And again, 1 single crochet, then into the next and increase. And last, 1 single crochet and then increase in next. And you can see now this semicircle forming, it's flat and it will create the oval. Next we will make 3 single crochet, 1 in each stitch and 3, and we've reached again the other semicircle, the other corner of the oval, and we will do the same as we did on this side. 1 single crochet followed by an increase, and we repeat that 3 times. So that's 1 repeat, 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 2 repeats, 1 single crochet and 1 increase, and that's your third repeat. Now to close this round we make a single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So that's the body of the oval, and that will always stay like that, just simple single crochet. So this is the body, is just like a rectangle, and then you have 2 semicircles on either side, and you just treat it like a circle. Right, so this is our third round, and from this point on you kind of got the idea. I will show you a couple of more rounds just to have a clearer idea on how to crochet your oval, and you can make this as big as you like. So let's start on round 4, and again we are on the semicircle section. Now we will increase after every 2 single crochet, but we will start backwards, and we will start with an increase just to balance the design. So one round you will start with the single crochet stitches, then increase. On the other one, on the next one, you'll start with the increase and then your stitches. So because we started with the stitches before with a single crochet, now we are going to start with the increase. So make an increase, and then in the next 2 stitches make 1 single crochet. That's 1 single crochet, and in the next another single crochet. And this is your repeat section. It has to be done 3 times. So we have 1, then the second and the third. Again, increase, then single crochet next 2, and again increase and single crochet in next 2. And we are done with our semicircle. Next we make 3 single crochet, 1 in each of the next stitches. So 1 single crochet, 2 and 3, and again we reach the other semicircle, the other corner of the oval. So let's do exactly what we did right here. We start with an increase and then single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and repeat that 3 times in total. So that's 1 repeat. The second repeat, start with an increase and 2 single crochet, then again last 1 increase and 2 single crochet. And now we are on the body of the oval, which is like here, and we have these 3 stitches. We just crochet in them, make 1 single crochet in each. And this is how your oval looks like. Now I hope you got the idea on how to make it. Simply just increase your stitches. Next will be after every 3 stitches, then after every 4th, every 5th, every 6th, and so on until your oval is as big as you like. I hope you found my tutorial easy to follow. and you understand how to make your crochet oval. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them and help you. Happy crocheting!